Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. And here with us today is a 2021 Audi A5 Premium. It's finished in Glacier white metallic. It's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Start up front here at the driver front wheel. It's got some curb rash there along the lip. And back here at the driver rear, a little more curb rash along the lip. These are the 18-inch double spoke star design wheels. And back here at the passenger rear, a little more curb rash. Passenger front quarter panel here just above the wheel arch. There's a little chipping out of the paint there. It looks like it's been touched up prior. And take you to the interior. We have a black leather interior. This does have keyless entry and keyless start. Power folding and heated exterior mirrors. Power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Got 3-stage heated front seats. Nice big digital display there. This does have Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control, multifunction steering wheel, and current mileage 66224. Power tilt and sliding sunroof. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here anytime, 614-793-1050. Feel free to check out more photos of this vehicle on our website at autoassets.com.